Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So today I am back again with my new video. So today we are gonna unbox something. So let's see what's in the box. Let's keep the wrapper aside. Look, a box. What's in this? There's a surprise this big inside. Let's cut the wrapper from here with the scissors. From here also, because it would be easy for us. It looks from Demon Slayer. Oh look, it's a Demon Slayer toy. It's called Zenitsu. And let's also just take off these wrappers, because these are going to disturb us in our unboxing. You can find those toys if you want on www.hamleys.in. So this is our Zenitsu from Demon Slayer. Look, it's written Demon Slayer in Japanese. These are some Japanese toys. Let's open it. From where? Oh, here. So let's just... Oh, it's also some tape here too. Let's just cut this off. And there would be also here. I knew it. Let's cut this. Sorry about that. Look, a box. And inside this, it's going to be our figure. Let's keep it aside like this. So, from where do we need to open? Oh, look. It's divided into some sections. We can cut this off. We don't need scissors to cut this. We can cut this from our hands, or I guess we need the scissors. We open this much, now we can open it. Let's just change this up. Look. So, if I say that So if we see that this is the sand, it could be like this or this, I don't know. Let's just open this. It's Zenitsu. This is it. Oh, his head is off. Here. Let's just keep them away. And let's put his head on. Look, it's Zenitsu. And his sword should be like this. Yeah. Now he is ready. And the stand goes here in his back. Let's just put this on first, then we'll put on our figure. It's pretty hard actually to put that on in its position. Our Zenitsu is ready to battle some upper ranks. After this, this is a pretty long video. This is a pretty good figure. Look, it's pretty hard also. His sword is amazing. He is the thunder breathing user. Look at his hair. Amazing figure. So after this, I am thinking to unbox Kokushibo, the upper rank 1 demon. So take care and bye bye.